puzzle, or maybe you finished it on Tuesday. As long as you got it done, you know, I'm not going to be picky about that. And you talked about exponent rules. Some vocabulary went along with that, so we're going to start with our vocabulary. We've got 5 with a 3. So let's remind ourselves about what that 5 is called. Oh, it's frozen, isn't it? There we go. 5 and 3. What is the mathematical name for this bigger number? What is that called when you're looking at something in exponential form? Chloe? The base. Right. And what is the smaller number called? Please stop.
What?
Please stop. Put the pencils down.
Can I not write with it like this?
I don't care, but don't call for people's names across the room to look at you with your pencils like that.
Sorry, I'll just I will.
Okay, what do I call the little number? Silas?
Exponent?
This is the exponent. Right? So we have the base and we have the exponent. What is it actually telling me to do? There's an operation happening there. Like, it doesn't look like much, but it's telling me to do what with those values? Jackson?
Times 5 by itself 3 times.
5 times 5 times 5, which equals 125. Right? So the base is what you're going to multiply times itself. The exponent tells us how many times to do that. We're just going to practice a few of these. What math am I going to do for 2 to the 5th power? What am I going to do there? Mason?
Times 3 times.
Yep. This is called expanded form. Anybody want to tell me why they gave that such a clever name? Why, Gus?
Because when I say an exponent, it's showing everything that expanded form is showing.
Right. It's kind of like this is an abbreviation. This would be the whole word, right? It's like this would be when we write out Wednesday, and this would be us writing WED, right? So then what is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? What do you get when you multiply those? 10. That's 2 times 5, but what's 2 times itself? So you do 2 times 2 and you get 4 times 2. Jack? 32. And that's a very common mistake, Silas, because from a very young age you guys were taught those fact families. And so you automatically think 2, 5, 10. So we're trying to kind of break that connection for exponents. How about 3 to the 4th power? What would that be in expanded form? I'm sorry?
4 3 times. Oh, my bad. I said it wrong. Like 3 times 4. 3 times 3, 4 times.
Yep, 3 times 3,
It's kind of
4
difficult
times.
to say.
Yep, it's not easy.
It's a tricky one.
So then what is 3 times 3 take that number times 3, take that number times 3.
What's 27 times
Gabriel?
54.
Not quite. Not quite. Jack? 81. All right. So 27 times 3 is going to give me 81. Right. I think what you did there, Gabriel, was 9 times 6, but you have to do 9 times 3 and then times 3 again. Okay. How about 4 to the 6th power? And I'll give you what the actual answer is, but expanded form. Lila, what is that going to be in expanded form?
4 times 4 times 4.
Yep, there's 6 of them. And that's going to equal 4,096. Right? So when people say, wow, that grew exponentially, what they mean is the value increased very quickly. Okay, we're going to stop right there. We'll continue this tomorrow.